In this video, we are going to be checking out how to actually change the positioning of your loading text in Ikemen. So when you launch Ikemen, you normally see there's a loading text somewhere at the bottom right of the screen. But in my case, I have mine centralized. So let's get straight into the video and see how we can achieve this. So when I launch my test project, you'll notice that the loading text is at the center of the screen. So I'm going to show you how we can actually make it go into different parts of the screen depending on your liking. So as you can see here, it is centralized. So I'm just going to close that. So let's go and open our game folder. Go into the external folder, open the script folder, and then find the motif file. So let's open up the motif file. Then what you will do is just search for the text loading. So once you find the loading offset on this line, all you have to do is actually play around with these values. I have set here 20 and minus 150. So if I were probably to set this as, let's say, minus 50 and probably 120, then save, you will notice there will be a change in the placement of the text when we launch Ikemen. So as you can see, we have our text slightly off screen. So in case you feel that your Ikemen loading text is not at an ideal place for you, well, you can just use this video and go play around with the values that I've shown you, and it will actually allow you to move around the text into a position of your liking. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, share, comment, and make sure you also subscribe to the channel. So as we go on this journey in learning more in-depth MUGEN stuff, I hope that you actually enjoy as you learn with me, as I'm also doing the same thing. I'm also learning as I show you some of these things. And I really appreciate the support so far from my audience. So until we meet again, stay safe.